Okay, this is Emily Norris with EBN Music. This is the first thing you're going to do when you start in my studio. You are going to go to the website app.mymusicstaff.com. I'm hoping to have this on my website, EBN Music, soon, but right now it's not. Okay, so you're going to sign in with your information. Now, I sent you an email with the login information. However, if it's been a while since you've gotten that and you're not sure, just click Forgot Password right here and use the email that me and you communicate with. All right, so once you've logged in, you're going to be seeing this, and your home page is going to be the calendar right here. But you're setting up Autopay, so ignore all of this for right now, and you're just going to go up here where it has your name, the parent's name, and you're going to go over here to Profile Settings. Okay, and it's going to have your kids right here, your students, if you have one or two, and then you're going to go here to Manage Payment Methods. And then I haven't added any payment method, so you can add your new card just like that. And then add all that information, and it will automatically have this checked. And obviously, if you uncheck it, your studio requires that Autopay be enabled. So yes, be sure that that is checked, and you're going to click Add. Okay, so now that card is there, it's been enabled. However, if you have another card you want to add, or if this one has been expired or you get a new card, just be sure to delete this card. You can delete it, and then you can add a new card right here. And then there you go, you are good to go. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.